Good morning, students. So first, I wish you happy new year to all of you. So let us move to the last tab, that is View tab. View tab consists of five groups. Those are document views, show or hide, zoom, window, and macros. So I will inserted some of the paragraphs. The document views group, as the name itself indicates, we can view the document in five ways. First one is print layout. When we click on print layout option, on the top side we can view the ruler, that is horizontal ruler and vertical ruler, and on the uh, right side as well as bottom side we can view the scroll bars. If we click on full screen reading, as the name itself indicates, when we click on full screen reading, so there will be no title bar, there will be no ribbon and no rulers. So we can view the document in the full screen. On the right side here, view option is there. So here increase the text size, where when I click this option, automatically it increase the text size. Same way decrease the text size is there. So we can view the document in one page, two page. So whichever you want, you can select this one. Now third option is web layout. So when we click on web layout option, we can view the document which we can view in the web browsers. Web browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. So in such web browser, we can view this document. And next one is outline. So when we click on outline option, for each paragraph, it will show this type of bullets. So here there is only one paragraph. So it will show the bullet for the first paragraph. And last one is the draft option. So when we click on draft option, on that time, on the top side we can view the horizontal ruler, as well as bottom side we can view the vertical scroll bar as well as horizontal scroll bar. So these are the five views of MS Word, that is print layout. When we click on print layout option, on the left side as well as top side, so we can view the horizontal as well as vertical ruler. When we click on full screen reading, as the name itself indicates, we can view the document in full screen, means there will be no title bar, ribbon, tabs, groups, etc. And web layout means we can view the same document, so which we can view in the web browsers. And when we click on outline option, so for each paragraph it will show the bullet option. And for draft, so here there will be no ruler of on the left side, so we can easily scroll it. Second option is show or hide option. So here there are five check boxes. These are called as check boxes. When we click on check boxes, then only we can activate the ruler, grid line, document map, and thumbnails. So I will click on print layout option. So when we click on print layout option, so normally ruler option is activated. So if I deactivate this option automatically, so there will be no ruler on the left side as well as on the right side. If I want again, on that time you just click on this ruler option. Second one is document map. So here on the right side, if there are different tables, text and images, on that time we can view the structural view of this document. And third one is grid lines. So I will deactivate document map option. So grid line means we can view the document in a graph sheet. So grid lines may be major and minor. So here the entire document will be view in the graph sheet. And last one is the thumbnail. On the thumbnail, what we can do is that, so we can view the document in nail sizes. So here the first page appear on the right side. This is the second page. If I go down side, third page, fourth page. So these are the thumbnail options. So whichever option you want, you can activate this one. And suppose if you open a new file and if there is no ruler, means there is no horizontal scroll, horizontal margin and vertical margin, on that time you have to click on view tab, show or hide option, and click on ruler option. Now move to the third group, that is zoom. If I click on zoom option, so automatically it opens a zoom dialog box. Here we can view the document in very large size. That is 200% is there, 100% is there, 75% is there, as well as page width, text width, and whole page. So which option you want, you can select it. Or on the bottom side, so this is a status bar which shows the status of the document, and right side here is a zoom slider. With the help of that one also we can zoom it. Or you click on zoom option, it opens a zoom dialog box. Which option you want, you can select it. And here 100% is there, so it shows the document in 100% way. Then one page, two pages, and page width. So if I click on one page option, the document available in one page. If I click on two pages, so we can view the document in two pages option. Next one is page width. When we click on page width option, so which width you can view the page, so that one you can adjust it. So if I want normal one, on that time you could just click on one page option and click on 100 page, 100%. Now we will move to the next group, that is windows. So windows consisting of new window option. So when we click on new window option, on the bottom side you can view here document one file, we can view it. If I click on new window option, on that time the same document will be available in new window with document 1.2 option. So on the bottom side you can view it. So 1.1 is there, 1.2 is there. If I want one more document, on that time just click on new window option, automatically it opens a one more window, but the text will be same as the first file. Second one is arrange all. If I click on arrange all option, so here 1.1 means first file is there, second file is there, third file is there, and each file having its own ruler as well as scroll bars. So whichever I want, so you can select it. So if there are number of files, on that time we can arrange in whichever type you want, you can select that one. Next one is split option. When I click on split option, so where you want to split the document, so you can split it. So if I click here, I have clicked here, on that time for these pages it will show a ruler, and for the next page also it will show the ruler. So wherever you want, so you can split it. If I want to remove that split, and just click on remove split option. Now here view side by side, synchronous scrolling, reset window position, and switch window option is there. So here I have created only one document. So now I will create one more document. So just click on new window option. It opens one more window. So now view side by side, as the name itself indicates. If I click on new view side by side option, on that time, so first window will be appear on the left side and second will be appear on the right side. So side by side we can view it. Now one more option is there in view option, that is synchronous scrolling. So synchronous scrolling means if I scroll the first document, then second document also automatically scrolls. See, it is view side by side as well as synchronous scrolling. View side by side option is used to view the document side by side, and synchronous scrolling option is used to scroll the document. And third one is reset window position. So in which size I want to set the window, so that size I can set it. This is a reset window position. And last one is switch windows. If there are more documents on that time, so you can which window you want, you can select it. So document 1.1 is there. If I want document 1.2, you can select this one. So here document 1.1, you can view it here. And when I click on document 1.2, just click this one. So this one, if I want one more, so view and click on new window option. So view, here switch window option. So document 1.1, document 1.2, document 1.3 is there. So whichever you want, you can select it. So either by switch window, drop down button, and so you can select the document option, or on the start bar also you can use the document files. So whichever you want, you can just click it. So in next class, we will learn the macros option. So thank you one and all.